When I do my budgets, there are two aspects of cash staffing that I do. I do my bill binder and my variable expenses, which is the same as fixed and variable expenses. Those two things, I do cash staff them. I also do cash staff my sinking fund. So for today's video, we're going to cash staff my variable expenses and my fixed expenses. So if it's something that you like, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell beside it so that you don't miss any of my video. I hope everybody is doing very well. Before we do that, let's make sure we count the money that we're going to use it for that. So that's very important to do your budget, because if you do your budget, you know where your money is going. And this is one aspect of ways that I know where my money is going. I'm already kind of like a month, 2 weeks ahead of my bills. So it makes it easy for me to set up all these while I'm doing my budget. It makes it exciting. And I've done this throughout the whole year. And I've done the cash staffing in such a way that now I'm kind of a month ahead in my mortgage and like 2 weeks ahead in my regular bills, which is kind of cool. So this year I want to challenge you to take a look at your money, and one of the aspects is doing the budget. If you do the budget, it tells you. And if you don't want to do your budget, that's fine. That's fine. Track your expenses. Maybe just tracking your expenses may change your mindset for you to look at your money. Which aspect are you going to do? Are you going to try a budget, or are you going to track your expenses? Leave in the comment below. I would love to hear from you. Let's count the money. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So that's 2,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 120. So 2120. So 2,120. Okay, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. That's 290. So that would be, I think I don't know my maths very well, so let's use the calculator. So I did have 2,000, no, not 20,000, I wish. 2,000 plus 120 plus 290. So we are going to do our cash staffing with 2,410. Okay, let's put calculator on the side here, then money here, and let's start. Okay, I'll start with my daily binder. This is my daily binder. For those of you who don't know, my daily binder is the one I take with me almost everywhere. That's what I take with me. It goes in my wallet. Everywhere I go, I do have that. That's why I have this receipt. So I'll put it on the side. I'm going to put it on the fetch. If you don't have fetch, make sure I'll put my stuff on the screen here so that you can check it out. Go upload it. It helps you get point when you scan your receipt. Okay, then now let's go ahead and do the stuff and quick. My allowance get $20. And for those of you who have been asking for the stickers and the wallet, I do have some on my shop. So in case, and I also have these envelopes also in my shop, the A7 ones. For gift also get 20. Gifted the same as my blessing, in case I have to buy a gift for somebody or I have to bless somebody. That's where I go to, which I know there's something coming up, I have to use this money. Grocery get $300. That's every paycheck. Gas get 50. Household gas 200. That's for Sam's Club and Costco when we go and we pack stuff. Flash get 20. Flash and Lucky. That's our turtles. They get $20. Date night get 10. Dining hall get 10. Shopping get 50. Apart from going to the regular store, we do go to our local store, and that's why I have money for that. Clothing, not this time. My nails is getting 10. My nails, I've been doing it myself and I'm still learning. I know is one day I'll be expert doing that. Beauty is getting $10. My sister has been helping me with my hair as of now, so I don't spend a lot. And I'm not intense spending a lot on my hair, especially this year. Miscellaneous get 20. This year, one of the things I really want to watch is my miscellaneous. I'm trying not to dip in my miscellaneous a lot and save it at the end of every paycheck. So that's what I'm hoping not to do. So hopefully I wouldn't. So this is how my wallet is looking. I hope I was able to stay on track by doing this, which it has helped me a lot. If you have tried everything and it doesn't work, I urge you to try the 𝒓𝒄𝒂𝒓𝒅𝒔 system. It might change your world. Okay, let's go ahead and do my bill binder. You guys know my bill wallet already. This is it. I love it. I also have the wallet in the shop. The envelopes, no. I don't do these envelopes anymore. I think I might still have it in my shop, but I don't do them anymore. But you can go check it out. If I get orders, I might do them. Okay, so for my bill binder, which is the same as my fix, my mortgage get $1,200. And remember, I do a split bill when it comes to my mortgage. So I already put in $1,200. I'm adding $1,200 and become $2,400. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have $2,400. Let me make sure I do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Yes, so that's my mortgage. Already ready for this month. My debt is getting 200. So I need to make a major payment. My investment is getting 100. Apple One, not on this pay period. I already have the money. Case insurance, no. Upcoming activity, no. Electricity is getting 50. I'm gonna leave it in there. Gas is getting 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. for phone is also getting 50. Subscription is getting 20. And internet is getting 20. Not this paycheck, not this one. Car insurance and miscellaneous. Okay, so that's all for my bill binder as well. So this is it. So we are done cast staffing. Thanks for watching me today. I will see you in my next video. Go and be grateful. Bye bye bye.